back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cleo, and for today's video, I will be taking you guys along on a day trip to LA. LA is about 40 minutes from where me and my fiance live, and we just kind of planned last minute that we wanted to spend the day in LA. Today is Saturday, so our plans are to just go on a hike and then grab some food. I'm actually really excited because I have lived in Southern California for over 10 years and I have yet to do the Hollywood hike, so I'm looking forward to that. I heard the trail is about 6 miles, I believe, which is pretty long, so I'm curious to see if we will actually finish the trail. I was able to make some lunch reservations for after our hike, so I really want to try and make it to that. The place is called the Butcher, the Baker, the Cappuccino Maker, and they're kind of known for having super gorgeous, colorful lattes. I actually heard of this restaurant from my friend Athena, and when she went, it just looked so beautiful, and I've had this on my list of places to go for the next time I'm in LA, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, that's kind of the plan for today, and I will check in with you guys later.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away. Watching you all.
Okay, I'm like low-key out of breath already, but he said we're gonna get behind that sign. How many miles is that?
Like 2 miles.
Okay. Seriously, can't get over these views. These views are so gorgeous, and I love that this trail is not like super crowded either. But yeah, we're almost there.
Space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away. Watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause space makes me sad.
Alright, hey guys, so we finished our hike. We're just in the car now, kind of freshening up. So the whole trail, let's see, it ended up being about 5.5 miles, and it took us about 2.5 hours. It honestly wasn't too bad. I would just say the first mile was probably the toughest part because of the incline, but after that it was not a bad hike at all, and I thought the views were amazing, so I'm glad we did this. And we actually finished earlier than what we were planning to, so we have about an hour before our brunch reservations, or I guess I should say late lunch now, but overall it was a success. And we ended up parking on a different area than if you were to look up Hollywood Hike on Google. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in the address that we used to find this place, because their parking is honestly not bad at all. The trail wasn't crowded. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in the address below, as well as a link to the trail that my fiance found. It had a bunch of useful information. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just, I guess, hang out for a bit and then head over to brunch, and I will check in later. So to kick off our lunch, the first thing I ordered was their mimosa flight. Since they're kind of known for this, it comes with strawberry, hibiscus, and orange. And my fiance just ordered a cocktail. And as you can see, the food portions are incredibly huge. My fiance got the prime rib sandwich, and I ordered the skillet baked seafood omelet, and that comes with a shrimp, smoked salmon, calamari, smoked caviar, and some nori. To of course get their color burst latte, which is their signature, and look how gorgeous that is. I honestly was a little bummed out taking my first sip just because I didn't want to ruin it, but it was so good. And as you can see, we had a ton of leftovers, so the portion was great. All right, hey guys, so we are now back in Orange County. That lunch we had was literally so amazing. Everything was so good. The service was great. The food portions were great. And to be honest, I think the prices were also pretty good. That latte was literally the prettiest latte I've ever had. And it was just as good as it looked. So if you guys are ever in the West Hollywood area, I totally recommend checking this place out. I will go ahead and leave all the details in the description below. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end that video here. We had a long day, so I think we're just gonna go ahead and relax for the rest of the night. And there is my fiance and getting our HelloFresh box. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.